Oh, sorry, guys, sorry. Okay, okay, I'm sorry. So what is it actually? I have to go and I have to action, delete it, delete it, delete the peering. Okay, create the peering. What is it? Red to blue, right? Sorry, I'm sorry, guys. Red to blue. So this is red actually, VPC. And here you have to go with the blue, right? Yeah, blue. Go and create the VPC. After that, accept the connection. So once you do it, actually go to the route table. Okay, go to your red route table. I mean, red VPC's route table, red public route table. Go and edit the routes actually. So whenever you want to send a traffic to 10.1.0.0/16, send the traffic to your VPC pairing as a target. Under the VPC pairing, go and select the red to blue actually. Yeah, save the changes. Same thing, you have to go to the route table, go to your blue route table. So under here, edit the routes, go add. So whenever you want to send a traffic to 172.17.0.0/16, okay, you go to your VPC connection here and go and red to the blue actually, right? Go and save it. That's all. Once you save it, now you could see that this starts pinging and even this starts pinging. Am I clear, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. One final thing, then we'll stop the session. Okay, let me say. Now you will say that, okay, now you say that Rajesh, this is good, very good. Now I have one more. This is the US-East region. I have one region here, known as the Mumbai region. I have Mumbai region. AP-South-1. I have this is a Mumbai region. Under the Mumbai region, here I have one VPC, which is nothing but your orange VPC. And I have created all those subnets and all, everything is there. I have one server. Okay, consider that I'm giving this, the shader range for VPC, orange VPC is 172 dot something, 22.1.0, sorry, 0.0/16. Okay. And the IP, what will be assigned to this server is 172.22 dot something, 16 dot something, 10, something it will be given. Now, Rajesh, the thing is that I want to do the peering between this region to this region. I want to do the peering between this VPC to with this VPC, right? This is nothing but your blue, right? Blue VPC, right? So my only concern is that, Rajesh, I want to do the VPC pairing between orange VPC to the blue VPC. I want to do it, right? But they are in the two different region. And you could see that even the CIDR is not overlapping. This is in 172 range and this is in 10 dot range, right? So there's no overlapping. Even if you can even do the VPC pairing between orange to the red also, because red is 172.17.1.0/16, but this is 172.22. Actually, both are different different CIDR. Even you can do a VPC between red to the orange also. But let me try to do the VPC pairing between these two VPC. Let me do the VPC, and these are the two different region. So can we do a last thing now? Go and create a VPC, go and create the same thing, go and create the subnet, go and create the route table, go and create the security groups, everything you have to do in the APFN South FN1, which is Mumbai region. After that, what happened? You create a VPC, you create one server in that VPC, and then later you have to do the VPC pairing, and then you have to just check whether this server is able to ping to this server. Similarly, this server is able to ping to this server, right? So this is across the region. So across the region also, you can do the peering. Earlier, guys, in 7-8 years, I think in 2016 or 2017, across the region, peering was not happening actually. So there was a lot of complications were there. Like for example, if there are two regions and you want to do some kind of a communication between this one server which is there in one VPC, to the other service, then other VPC in other region, it was very difficult. You want to use something like a VPN and all, you want to do everything. Later, what happened when Azure came to the picture, right? Azure bought everything region to region communication you can do. So there we call it the VNet peering. So they already did a VNet peering everything when they released it actually, when the Microsoft Azure came to the market. So it was a very tough competition came to the AWS, and AWS saw that okay, they already have that implementation. Let us do try to do the no VPC to VPC pairing across the regions. Let us do it actually. They then later they implemented this feature in 2017 or 2018. They added this feature. Before that, this feature was not there. So some complication was there when you want to connect between two different VPCs across two different regions, right? But now they've added that region also. Am I clear, sir? So shall we do this exercise and then we will try to wind up our class, today's class. Am I clear, sir? Okay, guys. Let me do one thing. Okay, Rajesh, let me do one thing. Let me go to the now Mumbai region. Already I have everything in the Northern Virginia. I don't want to go. I don't want to really break my head. Go to the Mumbai region. So under Mumbai region, okay, you have a VPC. Okay, go to the VPC. Okay, fine. Let me do one thing. Let me create the VPC. So I will give the VPC something like an orange VPC under the Mumbai region. Okay, I will give something like 172.22.1.0.0/16. Right? Come down here. The same stories are create the VPC. So once you create the VPC, go to the action, go to the edit VPC CID settings, go and click on this and save it. Okay. Now you created the VPC now. Fine. Now you have to create a subnets. Okay. Let me go to the subnets. Okay. Let me give the, let me copy this VPC ID. Let me go to the subnet and let me check it out. There are no subnets are there. I know to create it actually. Right. So I have to click on it, go to the orange VPC. Right. This is the range actually. Yes. So I'll just say orange subnet 1. First, I will be zone APFN South FN 1A, like 172.22.1.0/24. Come here and just create the. Sorry, what is it? Okay. Everything is fine. No preference. You have to give it 1B. Okay. Orange subnet 2. This is the region. Yeah. And then go back to the VPC, copy the VPC ID, go back to the subnet. Yeah, it's already there. But yeah, this is subnet. So you have to do the changes. Come over here. Just go to the action, edit subnet settings, enable this auto assign, assigning it, save it. Am I clear, sir? Now everything is done. Fair enough. I'll go to the VPC, orange VPC, copy the orange VPC ID, come to the internet gateway, right? Create internet gateway and just say orange internet IGW, internet gateway hyphen, right? I have to give a hyphen, right? And then create it. Action, go and attach to the VPC. Which is the VPC? Orange VPC. Attached. Right? This is done. Go to the route table. So route table, Rajesh, I'll go with the VPC, the orange VPC. There are route tables are there. Wait, these are default route table. But I don't want, I want to create my own route table. Create the route table. Just say orange public hyphen RT route table, right? Select the VPC, orange VPC, right? Create the route table. Go here, go to the edit routes, add the routes 0.0.0. If any other traffic apart from this IP, go to your internet gateway. Internet gateway is nothing but your orange IGW. Then save the changes. Go to the subnet association, edit subnet association, add these 3 subnets, save the association, right? So internet gateway is done, internet route table is done, subnet is also done, VP is also created. If you want security groups, yeah, you can go with the security groups, open it, okay, and you can create a new subnet, no problem. Give something like orange allow SG, okay, give the same naming description. Select the orange VPC. Inbound rule, add an inbound rule, okay, all traffic, okay, any IPv4 address, yes, come here and just create the security, right? Copy it, security group, right? Copy it, go to the security groups. Here you could see that you can add it actually like this, right? This is the security group you created. Am I clear, sir? Anything else is required? No, right? Everything is done, right? Now let us go and launch the instance actually, right? Under here, under EC2, under the Mumbai region, I will launch a new instance, right? Go and launch the instance, okay? Orange server. Come here, Amazon Linux, okay? Go to your t2.micro, yes, key pair, right? There's a batch 2. Now you might ask me the question, Rajesh, you use this key, right? My key. Can I have the same key under this region? Because guys, keys are region specific. Keys are region specific. It means that when you create a key will be there for the particular region only. Now the question comes, Rajesh, but I want to use the same key, my key, which you created in the Northern Virginia. I want to use the same kind of a key in Mumbai. Same key. I want to use it. Then what you do that? You can go to the EC2. Okay. Go to your key pair. Go to the action. Import the key pair. Means you want to import the public key. But how to get the public key? Yeah, you come here because all these 3 server guys, they are using the same my key PEM, right? Yeah. So you can say EC2 hyphen metadata. See, this is a public, this is the public key which it uses actually. Copy this whole public key like this. Come here and import the key. Give the same key, my key dot pem. Sorry, my key dot pem only, right? My key dot pem, right? And what is it actually? Copy this, then create it actually. Am I clear, sir? Right? Am I clear, sir? Is it fine?
Both are required actually.
No, what I'm saying is, you said, Raj, I want to use a single key to log into any server which are from any region.
Okay.
What I did here, I went to one of the server, I just execute this command, EC2 hyphen metadata. I want to just check them. In that metadata, I just copied this public key. This public key I imported into the Mumbai regions key, so that I generated the same key actually. I mean, I should have, yeah, I should have just given my key. Okay, let me remove it so that just to avoid any kind of a confusion. Let me do it one more time. Create the key P, my key. Sorry, man. Sorry, you have to import it actually. Import the key, my key. I've already copied, I think. Copy it and then import the key pair. See, I got the same key with the name same my key, even in the Mumbai region. It means that Rajesh, can I use the same key, whatever the key is there here? Yeah, I can use the same key, even log into that orange server, which I'm creating now, right? Go back here, instances, launch instance, orange server. Yeah, come over here, t2.micro, key pair, I'll select that my key, which you said, yes. Edit, orange VPC, orange subnet 1. Very good. Enable, select the existing secret groups. Yeah, I'll go and select that orange allow SG. Yeah, anything else is required, sir? Nothing, sir. Just go and launch it. Am I clear, sir? Now I will say, I will come and I will just say view instance. Now you could see that this is coming up. Now, as per the diagram, you say that Rajesh, this server is created. It got some IP address. What is that IP address? Let's see. You click on it. You could see that 170.22.1.38. Can I ping, can this server altogether, which is a blue server, can it really ping to it? It can't, right? Because these two servers are in two different regions actually. You can't literally ping it, man. How you'll ping it? You cannot ping it. Similarly, this orange server, let me log into the orange server. So let me copy this public IP of the orange server and let me try to do a putty actually, log into the putty. Okay, EC2 hyphen user at the rate, give the public IP of that and go to the appearance, change it to the 18, right? And go to the coloring, remove it, go to the default foreground, modify it, give the orange, this is the orange, yeah, something orange, okay? And then like go to the SSH auth credential, give the mikey.ppk, go to the session, check it out. Yeah. Connection. Yeah. See, now you're able to log into the orange. So this is sudo su-root, right? If I try to do a ping, if config 17.22.128, right? This is the IP address. So are you able to ping from here to here? No, you can't ping. Similarly, if I try to do if config, so whether I'm able to ping from here to here, I'm able to ping from orange to this. You can't try it. You can't ping. See, both are not able to ping. Now you want to do a VPC pairing between two, right? How you're going to do it? Come over here. The same thing, guys. You can go to your Mumbai's this one, right? And then like you can go to the VPC. Here you have a VPC pairing. Yeah. So now what happened? Create the VPC pairing. Now you are saying that Rajesh, I'm trying to do a orange to the blue, orange to blue, I want to do a VPC pairing. Yeah. So what is your VPC pairing? Your orange VPC. Okay. In which region it is there? You can't do it. It is not in your account. It is in some other region actually. So you have to select other region like this. Come over here. Which is the user? Rajesh, it is Northern Virginia. Okay. What's the VPC ID? To which VPC ID? Oh, I don't know. Let me check that actually. Okay. So I am under Northern Virginia region. Okay. Let me go to the VPC in the Northern Virginia region. VPC under Northern Virginia region. So I'm under the Northern Virginia region. Let me go to the VPC, right? So now I know that what is the VPC ID for the blue actually. So let me select the VPC ID blue. I want to copy this VPC ID of the blue. This is a blue VPC ID. I go here and try to give the VPC ID of the blue server, blue VPC ID, right? Go and anything else is required, guys? Nothing, right? Blue, orange to blue, right? Go and create the pairing. Now what happened? You could see that remember to change so remember what happened, right? Here what happened? The request is sent. See, you could see that initiate a request to this 800, right? Something. So now what happened, right? Here you don't have this except because from the orange you are sent to the blue actually. To the blue. Now what happened? You have to go to that region. So people who are sitting here under this northern region, he will come and he will go and click onto the pairing connection. Now he will refresh it actually. See, he'll refresh it. Now you will see that actually, Rajesh, see, the request is still pending. Okay, got it. Now what he'll do, he'll click on it and he'll go to the action and he'll accept the request here. And accept the request. As soon as you accept the request, you could see that actually it is getting provision. Wait for some time, it will become an active set. Can you see here? So let me give this thing, whatever it's there, right? Whatever the orange to the blue, right? The same name I'll give here actually. So that you'll not get confused. Am I clear, sir? Right. I think this got deleted, but I didn't remove it. No problem. So now it got created. Now you know very well that Rajesh, even though it is a VPC pairing is done, still it is not able to ping to each other. Right? It is not able to ping to each other. Right? See, it's not able to ping to each other. So what is our golden rule, guys? You have to go and edit the route table. Right? Go here, go to your route table of your orange route table. Go to the route table, edit the route table. Now what you are saying that add the routes. Whenever you want to, any traffic you want to send to 1.0.0/16, that's a blue CIDR range. You want to go to the VPC pairing, connect it, go to the orange to the blue VPC pairing, save it. Same thing here, come over here, go to the route table of your Northern Virginia region, go to your blue route table, go and edit the route table. You say that Rajesh route it, add it 172.22, right? 22.0.0/16, right? Anything, go and the target should be VPC pairing, and it should be between your orange to the blue actually, right? This is what it is, and save it actually. Now you could see that, guys, it will start pinging each other. See, this one will start ping. See, this will start pinging. Beautiful, right? So it means that two different VPC, two different server in two different VPC in two different region will be able to talk to each other or will be able to ping to each other now. So guys, now you know that, Rajesh, now it's my turn that I have to do all this lab now. Right? Deleting and all, don't worry, I will delete it, but I have to show you. Okay, fine. This time, it has crossed 2 hours. Now, like I'll be showing it later, like once I create it, but I will do the cleanup activity. The first question come to your mind that, Rajesh, is there anything, whether I'm going to get any kind of a billing for all this lab? No, sir, it's a zero, actually, zero billing. Only that whatever the EC2 instance you created, right, only that will be billed since you are under your 100 credit, under your 100 credit, this one, right? In that $100 credit only, that the money will be deducted for you. So it means that for this lab, zero pricing. You're not giving any amount at all. Right. Now the real question comes actually that, Rajesh, where we do use it actually? Yeah, you understood whatever you said is right. We understood it, everything. Now, where exactly you are going to use this actually, VPC pairing? So it is very important, sir. In every organization, we use this VPC pairing a lot actually. Okay. Mm, okay. So now, how do you do, Rajesh? Actually, what is the usage of this actually? So what I can do that, see, go to the Google and I'll just say, I'll search for, don't worry about this, PCI DSS AWS. I'll go to the image. See, guys, uh, yeah, this only. Yeah. See, this is how it looks like, guys. In your real time, right? In your company, what happened, right? You will create multiple VPCs. One is the server which you are creating under your production VPC. One is under the development VPC. Like you will create your own VPC called as a development, where a developer will be working. Here in the production, where actually your application or the service will be running here, right? And here will be something like a management PC, which you want to do some kind of a management activity. Now, whenever a user want to, suppose you have deployed everything, your application running. So, for example, assume that you have your ICICIbank.com, right? That ICICI Bank web page is running in your production. Assume that this is your website actually, ICICIbank.com. See, if you click on it and enter, so you could see that you're able to see the ICICI Bank web page actually. So now consider that here the user is sitting here. He is launching actually through the browser ICICI.com. What happened? The request will go to here and it will your production will go to serve the service for you. Fine. That's good. Now the thing is that tomorrow assume that I want to do some updates to this DB server. So this is under the production VPC, right? Or I want to do some kind of other thing. Now, this is your internal requirement. For example, that's a client, okay? Client is fine. Client is able to access that application, fine. But tomorrow, as you are a DevOps engineer or a cloud engineer, you want to do some change. Suppose this is a database which is running, and you say that, Rajesh, I want to do an updation to this database. Right? I want to do it. How you can able to do it actually? So here what happened? You will have one more VPC where what happened that you have created some Bastion server. It's something like a jump server. I will discuss about this also later. Now what happened? Some external user sitting here, he will try to log into the Bastion server. From the Bastion server, he has to go and log into this DB server. But how we can log into a DB server? Because this Bastion server is running under some VPC, and this server is actually, this DB server is running under some VPC. Then in that case, you have to do the VPC pairing. So here what happened, right? Between production to the management, you have to do the VPC. Same thing if the developer has its own VPC, and if the management want to connect, want to communicate with the development VPC, you have to do the VPC pairing. So within our organization also, when there are different departments are there, different VPCs are there, when they don't want to communicate each other, they have to create a VPC pairing. This is the real use case you have to tell. Am I clear, sir? Is it fine? Did you understood what's the use case of the VPC pairing? Yeah. Now some question might be asked, Rajesh, VPC pairing is a tedious task. Yes, sir, it is no doubt it's a tedious task. We have to do so many things. Actually, we have to go and edit the route table, edit the routes, everything, create the VPC, accept the connection, something and all you have to do it. Is there any simple solution is there? Apart from VPC pairing, you can communicate with two different VPC. Yeah, there are some solutions are there. One is a transit gateway. You can use a transit gateway to communicate with two different VPC. Then in that case, you don't have to do the VPC pairing. So how to do that? We will see it later, not now. When we come across the transit gateway, we will come across the same thing where we can able to communicate between two different VPCs actually, with the help of a transit gateway. Right? This is one of the intro questions they ask. Okay, I don't want to go with the VPC pairing. What's the other method? Sir, transit gateway. Or else, Raj, anything like site-to-site VPN you want to do? Yeah, you can do. There are many methods are that you can do it actually. Am I clear, sir? Guys, that's all for the day today. I hope that you like this session and please practice it. You know that now you need to put some effort in practicing all the things. Okay, I am not saying that create three VPCs and then at least just to create two VPCs in one region. Practice between those two VPCs and create one more VPC in other region and then try to do a VPC to VPC pairing between two different regions. That is fine. So in a span of 1 or 1.5 hours, you'll be able to complete this entire lab, right? Is it fine, sir?
Yeah,
Okay, sir.
cleaning and
Yeah, cleaning I will do it, sir, because if I start recording it, it will go for 2.5 hours actually. After 20 minutes, it will go for cleaning. I'll show in the next class how to do the cleaning. It's nothing big deal. First, you have to remove all the servers which is created. You have to go the back forth actually. First, remove all the servers. Okay, fine. And then after removing all the servers, you do one thing. You go and you can go and you can remove all those route tables. You can go and remove the internet gateway. Okay, you can go and remove the security groups. You can go and remove your route table and then you go and remove your VPC like that. In the back you have to go the way how we started creating, right? In the backward you have to go and you have to clean it up like that actually. But in the real time, you know very well, guys, this and all you cannot do it manually. It is a very time consuming. You have to do through either through a Terraform, right, or the CloudFormation templating. And when I take Terraform, I'll be showing all these things through Terraform also. All the things you can run through Terraform also. The whole lab you can set up through Terraform also. Fine. Okay, guys. Any questions so far before winding today's session? No? Rajiv bhai, koi question?
Yes, sir.
Karthik? Uh, Sandeep? Sir, did you like this session, today's session? Did you found something you learned today?
yes, yes.
Now what happened? Because why I created this three different VPCs and all in the same region and all, like just to see, you keep looking. Now you see that from last 2 hours you were only seeing how to create VPC, how to create routable. Now somewhat you understood now in a better way. Now once you start doing yourself, now you'll get a tremendous confidence. You do it one time, just watch the video again. Okay, one more time, watch the video. Oh, now I understood what Rajesh did. Now I'll do myself. Just to close the video and start doing yourself your lab. Definitely, 100% you will do something. Somewhere you did the mistake means only two places you will do the mistake. I will tell you where you do the mistake. Okay. One is that while creating a secure groups, you have not created properly. That could be the one reason of you have not created. It means that if you go and click here, maybe in the inbound rule, you have not edited properly. You have not created the properly. That is the one case. And the second important use case is that which you will forget, usually you'll forget, is that actually if you go to the route table, under the route table, you have forgotten to do the subnet association. These are the only use cases. Apart from this, there is no other thing. There is no other thing at all. These two places, if you have did it properly, you will be able to log into the servers. If you're not able to log into the server, then you have to understand, Rajesh, secure group is somewhere where I'm missing. Second is whether you did a subnet association. You're not did it, it will not work actually. Am I clear, sir? So I'm telling upfront now where you're going to get stuck actually if you're not able to log into the server. Right? Right, good. And the keys and all, you have to create the keys and all that and all, you do it. You know now how to create the key and how to create the PEM to the PPK file and all that and all you know now, right? I need not to tell it again, right? You know all these things. Now you create the same lab, take 1 or 2 days of time, complete the task or complete this lab within 1 or 2 days of time. Okay, fine. Now the next class, what are you going to do, guys? Okay, no more VPC and VPC pairing now. Now the next class is that I will be explaining more into the secret groups now and also like NACL I'll be covering. Okay, and what is a public subnet and private subnet? this is what I'll be covering the tomorrow's class, tomorrow morning class. Clear, sir? This is your next class actually. Fine. Thank you, guys. Thank you then. Let me stop the recording. Okay, let me stop the recording.